What are the benefits of drinking hot water mixed with lemon and honey early in the morning? Do you want to know the benefits? Stick with me, stay with me, and have a look at what I have to tell you. Israel once again from Injibs Cosmetics, hoping that you stay tuned to my beauty tips today. What are the benefits of drinking hot water and lemon mixed with honey in the morning? There are several benefits. First of all, honey is very good. What does honey do? What does lemon do? And what does hot water do? Honey is good at giving energy. Honey is very energetic. Honey is energetic, and honey boosts your energy early in the morning. In case you slept with loss of energy, with a weakness, and you feel weak, and you maybe had some exercises and you jogged before you went to bed, for those who jog in the night, or maybe you need energy early in the morning before you start off your work, then you need some booster. You need a booster, and what's going to boost you is when you take honey, raw honey. When you take honey, mix it in hot water. Like I told you in one of my videos, I explained to you that honey mixed with water, honey also mixed with milk, is very, very, very good at boosting your inducing sleep. If you want to go to bed and sleep like a baby, then raw honey is the best. Never use syrups. Do not use the syrups from the stores. Use real honey. Real raw honey, not heated honey. Raw honey, not manufactured and processed honey. Raw honey straight from the beehives. So honey is very good with energy. What else is good with energy? Raisins are very good with energy. But for now, I'm going to focus on hot water. I'm focused on the benefits of drinking hot water with lemon mixed with honey early in the morning. So what does lemon do? Lemon is very good at detoxing you. Lemon cleanses you, detoxes you, takes out all the dirt, lemon is usually called the detoxifier, or they call it the charm of the skin, of beauty. Lemon is very good. Lemon, for those who actually want to cleanse their skins, and the skin, you want it to look clear, you want to take away scars, you want to take away all pimples, scars, acne, and all that kind of stuff of disorders on the skin, then honey is the best. Honey is your friend. So if you take lemon. If you take lemon, mix it together with water. Lemon with water and honey. Lemon will make wonders for you. Lemon is the best thing to take if you're trying to clean out all the unclean. If you're trying to detox, if you're on a diet, detoxing diet, weight loss, and all that kind of stuff, wanting a slim, flat stomach. Are you looking to get rid of the thighs, of the fat under your arms, and the fat under your jaws and on your neck? Then lemon is the best thing to do that mixed with honey. So what are the benefits of drinking water? I just mentioned them. Drinking hot water mixed with lemon and honey. Now the third one, which is the main one, which is hot water. Hot water, like I always say in my videos, hot water is good. Is very good. Hot water is good. Like I said in one of my videos about diet and what to eat, the inflammation video. If you go back into my videos, you'll check them out, and you'll find inflammation videos. What causes inflammation, and what is inflammation, and what are the types of inflammation. So check that video out. But anyways, hot water is very good. Hot water is good when it comes to quench and to deal with the things, problems like inflammation and all that kind of stuff, and being bloated and being constipated and all of that, taking your immune system and put it back into shape, into your metabolism to work fast. When you go to the bathroom, you're smooth and easy. Then hot water is the best thing to do. I've been drinking hot water my whole life. I learned drinking hot water when I was still a kid. So until today, I drink hot water in the morning. Why exactly should it be in the morning? Morning usually is the best time to drink water. If you really need to know what are the best times to drink water. You need to know when to drink water. Water, when you're drinking water, you do not drink water anytime you feel like. You need to know the times of drinking water, when to drink it, how to drink it, which kind of water to drink. Like I mentioned in one of my videos at the same time, again, I keep reminding you to go check out my videos. I've got videos that tell you what kind of water to drink. Rainwater, the rainwater. My video, the title is Where Do Rain Come From? Where does rainwater come from? That video explained how rainwater is very good at drinking. Drinking rainwater is the best. The best. You can drink spring water. Most people drink spring water, but tap water, I wouldn't advise you to drink tap water. Tap water is heavy, has heavy metals, heavy materials, and heavy chemicals that are used in it in order to recycle it back to us so we can use it while it's clean. So I wouldn't advise you to, it's clean to drink. Tap water is good to drink, but then it's got heavy chemicals that will put that you need a lot of pressure, you need a lot of work in order to detox those chemicals out of your system. So I usually avoid unnecessary pressure onto my kidneys, onto my lungs, onto my organs. I avoid putting pressure on them. Therefore, I usually advise, if you see rainwater is the best water to drink. So if you see rainwater, how do you catch rainwater for drinking? When you're harvesting rainwater for drinking, make sure do not let it run. Don't catch it from the water, the water that drops onto the roof, then it runs down onto the roof into the pipe that drains down. No, make sure you get a big container, a large container, large container. Put it in the space in your garden or on your porch or somewhere where there's no drainage of rain work, but the rain falls as it falls from heaven or from the sky, whatever, from the clouds. It just falls straight into that dish. So avoid collecting water that has run all the way from the roof, on top of the roof, all the way into the drainages, onto the collection of water pipes avoid using that. Because why should you avoid that? Because there are dirt, a lot of stuff, smoke, oil, particles and stuff that sit, all the polluted particles that sit on top of the roof, that rest. The wind blows everything and brings it on top of the roof, nicotine from smoking and all that kind of stuff. So now when the rain falls onto the roof, it drains and carry all that stuff. So you do not want to consume all that stuff. Make sure you put a container in an open space. Put it in an open space in front, in your yard or something like that, and then collect water. Basically, you will not collect a lot of water if the rain isn't that heavy. But if the rain is the rain is really heavy and is falling heavily, you will collect at least 2 to 3 liters of which, that's fine. So make sure that collect rainwater for drinking. Rainwater is the best water for drinking. It's the purest water to drink. Even though it doesn't have much minerals, since it doesn't run, it's not like spring water that runs through the rocks and all that stuff and collect all the copper and minerals and all that stuff. So it doesn't have all that. So if you really opt for starting to drink rainwater, make sure that you supplement yourself with minerals, with the zinc and copper and all of those minerals you need to supplement if you're really chosen to go on rainwater. So now after that, on top of that, why should we warm the water? Why should we warm the water? We as humans, we're not cold-blooded. We're not cold-blooded. We're not fish. We're not reptiles. We're not cold-blooded. We're warm-blooded. Therefore, when you give the body something cold or something freezy, you put pressure on it. You put your organs under pressure. Your body temperature, since it's warm, you put something in, you give it something cold, you give it a duty, or you give it labor to warm that food or that content that you've put in, that you've given it. Now, in order to use it, it has to warm it. That's where you find when it's so hot, then you take something so freezing or ice cream or something so cold, then you become thirsty. Just within a few minutes, you become thirsty, completely thirsty, even thirstier than when you took it. Why? Because you've given a task, you've given the body a task, you've given it homework to work hard, to heat and warm up that content, that ice cream, before it uses it, or before it absorbs it, or before it digests it. Then the body works hard and it gets exhausted. It uses energy. It takes energy from your muscle. It takes your energy. That is why after it finishes the task, you feel thirstier than before. Why? Because you gave it a huge task to warm up what you gave it in order to use it. So basically, if you take I usually love using, I love warming up I don't take ice creams, I don't take I don't take cold freezing stuff, because it puts your body on pressure. Then you end up, with time, you end up developing wrinkles, developing pimples, develop all that kind of disorders. Why? Your skin starts sagging because your body works very hard. It gets exhausted. The liver gets exhausted. The kidney gets tired. So you need to balance your body. Stop giving it too much work to do. Don't give it too much work to do. It's like putting toxins in your body. Giving your body toxins. You give it so much hard work. You give it so much labor. Your body works day and night. You are working while the body is exhausted. Also, it has to work. It has to provide energy for the jobs you do. No wonder people wake up in the morning and they're so exhausted and tired and fatigued, and they're lazy. They just want to go back to sleep. They're so exhausted and lazy. The body was working throughout the whole night. Hard labor, trying to digest the toxins that you gave it. By the way, let's go back to the point. The point is hot water. Drink hot water. It's very good to drink hot water early in the morning. Mix it with honey and mix it with lemon. Very good. It's going to detox you and it's going to boost your energy, give you instant energy for you to get on with your work and start working energetically and be effective and your brain working properly and smart and quick and all that kind of stuff. Last thing before I finish this video, now that you've come all the way to the end with my video, I'm going to give you one more tip. That same honey, one other thing that it does, it gives stamina. Honey gives stamina. When you're trying to resist, when the body's trying to resist, when you resist, it gives you stamina. You need stamina to resist. When you're carrying heavy stuff, when you're carrying heavy load, or trying to lift up things, heavy things, you need stamina to resist. Now, what gives you that stamina best? It's the honey. Honey gives stamina. If you take public transport and you didn't get a seat on a train or on a bus, then the bus turns and shakes, then you need stamina. Stamina when you hold on top of the bus. You need stamina to stand in order not to fall on those that are sitting down. You see? So you need stamina. Now, what gives you that stamina? You need stamina, and for couples in the bedroom, you need stamina. You need stamina to sustain you. So honey is very good at giving stamina. Check out my other videos of how to avoid inflammation and how to prevent all kinds of disorders and sicknesses, and what to eat in order to be fit, lose weight, and all that kind of stuff, and keep your physique energetic. Stay with me and hit the subscribe button if you wanna see more of my videos. Hit the subscribe button and remember to touch that bell icon there next to the subscribe button in order to receive a notification of every awesome video that I upload to YouTube. Israel once again from Injibs Cosmetics, hoping that you stay tuned to my awesome videos and tips today. Stay well.